Yo, how are you doing, my people? Mukoreto muhana atia. I hope you're doing fine. This is the first Friday of the month of October. Neno nisho ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. Now, of course, goko niko toka kumwira mohoro ota uria mareyumiria. It's a very rainy day actually. Muthenya wa muthi kwina mbura imwe nene muno. Actually agikorwo thaa ici ni hotete gukinya mucii. We menya tu thaa ici we fit tondu being a Friday and being this rainy. Ni njui kwina andu aingi muno megukorwo me inconvenienced. Ni njitagwo holiday kure mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook, and as usual again ino ni show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club na toka guku kumwira mohoro maria makoro makihanika. I don't know how your day was. Dio wiki yaku yakoro ihana atia. It's the last day of the week, the formal week, the official week. Ethira muthenya wa Friday tondu Saturday ado makoragwo it's a weekend, Sunday is a weekend. So umuthi niguo muthenya wa kujiachilia na kumenya how the week has been to your friends. Kuna eko sindo? Kuna unaisikia jo. But anyway, sijika imeisha. Kofiti. Nice. Dio mukoreto muhana atia. It's a very good Friday. Na dio mothe sherehe kuhaneka atia. Sijui leo sherehe itakuwa aje. Na show inatumikaga na Chris by the way ndiganagira kumwira mundu uria twinake haha. It goes by the name Chris. Now, I hope you're going to have a good show today, despite the rain. Dona akwina mbura imwe nene muno tauni. Kwanza tau kunanyesha mvua ingine crazy. And it is neguonete meteorological. The meteorological department nimekorekereirie ndumiriri muthenya wa muthi na mauga ati from today 3rd to 5th of October nigukorwo na mbura imwe nene muno, specifically in Nairobi and metropolitan areas of Nairobi, Kuria Rift Valley, Kuria Kisumu region, na atuge places iria cikoragwo ci highlands nigukorwo na a lot of rain. So it was expected, man, but hena kioria gikoretwo gikioria maita maingi muno every time there are floods in the country, especially in the city of Nairobi. Kioria kiria kioragio ni hindi ya campaign mundu uria wi governor thaa ici kou aturire lazima you work. Na thaa ici ungirora mbura yaura less than even tuge on a less than at 4 hours and the drainage is blocked. It's blocked like nobody's business. Nitakutari na wira urathi na mbere kou. And it is so unfortunate. Kuna maundu macio magithi na mbere in a time when turerwo lazima you work. Riria twina nginya mosiria, riria nginya twina mbugi o yothe. Na unaona manze mbura ya 3 hours ni ratuma mihango ya town ikorwo igitharara. Like kama umekuwa town leo jioni ile line iko kule hivyo kwa magari bana, ndona andu nginya kwina kunge nginya mararuga mai, unashukishwa kwa stage manze, hauna place nyingine unaweza simama jo, inabidi tu umeingia kwa maji tu, lakini tondu already neho haine ukauga wajia gwithamba o riria washuka ngari ona takinyite mta. But anyway, we hope things are going to be well. Nairobi drainage needs to be really checked. Anyway guys, it's the weekend. Nejui umuthi no nginya sherehe. Weekend ino yatukora riria ni end month. Iyo iko ina nini bana. Weekend yatukora riria atu end month. Wezi isikia hapo fiti. Weekend yatukora riria atu end month. Na saizi it's a bad time ni end month. Kwina mbura na ni weekend. Yani ado mena bia cia sherehe na kuna limiting factor ya mbura. Yani mambo ni mingi, but we hope things are going to be well. Hena ado nejoy bado matage yago thi sherehe. Hena aria moragio. Do you drink regularly or occasionally? You know, modo rorio kioria kiu niwe tofati gukorwo tukimuria ta thaa ici tari kwina mbura. Ju mtu menya nenda sherehe ka saa hizi ni modo wa konywa regularly. Na hena aria manyuaga occasionally, but the occasions come regularly. Yolingori. Eru adu acio makoragwo me ever drunk and ever on party mood. Na it's high time manze watu waanze kucheck on alcohol consumption tondu kuna mambo mingi sana inaendelea saa hizi Chris. Ugirora wega ni adu aingi maranywa ikoretwo vijana, but but thaa ici vijana maranyua na mena maundu maingi muno mito-ini yao. Gen Z maranyua na njira imwe nene muno na kuna mambo mingi sana yenye awasemi. Umuthi story cio umuthi twina story ya mundu gwitwo Murara Kibaso na explain manze vile ile story ya uria andu mamurejectire riria onire no acenjie Kenya na vile hiyo story ilimu affect na so as much as you are drinking, as much as you are partying manze, it's high time manze we check on our mental health and all those things. But anyway guys, die murathi na mbere atia tena story nyingi muno muthenya wa muthe, but before we get there umuthe dry wa kuma boyfriends day no riu iyo tia iyo ni ya boyfriend na girlfriend. Iyo ni ya boyfriend kidogo tu to short story ya sound bana. I hope it's mutununulie mic tafadhali wa tupanguze gikeigananitie. Ebu niambieni kaa sound iko fiti ama kuna echo, because najisikia echo ingine bigi sana. Kwena mtatusikia na echo ama tu drop kwanza. Niye personally try go kebo wa urumono, but I don't know what you're going to do guys. Mtanisikia na hiyo echo? Ni muraji kwa na echo hiyo? Yo. I think size yako imeisha. Now to thina bere. Now hata imenipoteza. Man, we really need to get a good mic. Hena mic drone ile jega muno by the way. Na inatoka around 19,000. Riria gagi ya bia nie. Gagoro mic yo nigetha mojiguage wega na kusikio na hizo maitilafu za sound. But anyway guys, gwakorwo na maundu mengi muna makoro magethi na mbere muthenya wa muthi iko fiti. Na adreda tobe turore nigukoretwo na thibitari ya Gen Z. Ni maraugire ni megukoro magiaka thibitari. Na ni story imekuwa ikitrend sana pale hivyo. Andu mararigwo how is this going to happen, like thibitari no igwakwo atia, bia cikuma ku, mugunda ukuma ku, andu aria mararuta wira kuu ri mekuma ku. And before we get answers to all those questions, already hena mundu wiruteire na akoro akiheana mugunda. It is being said that it is around 30 acres of land ya gwaka thibitari iyo. Na at this point nie jeterera tu kuona uria guguthi na mbere. Tuona MC Chris Kirubi mena swings na anaitwa CID wa Kiambu Road mathiete kurora mugunda ucio, and this is how it went.
Go. Yes, niko hapa na MC Chris Kirubi Jr.
na swings Mauno mwenyewe CID hapa.
Yes, na tumefika hapa. This is step number 1. Undisclosed location.
Yes.
Abu onyesha huko kwanza kidogo. Onyesha huko haraka haraka. Onyesha hivyo, peleka huko. Hiyo ni shamba kubwa sana. Kuna kabisa business hapo tunaweza piga watu wale wa hospitali. Kuja hapa. We have so many support.
Whenever you come across any Kenyan in your entire life, just use 1 minute of your time to say thank you, Kenyans, for everything you are doing for the world. Because are you seeing this hospital right here? What? Kenyans are on it again. The youths are on it again, because this time around, the youths are saying they are contributing. Like, they don't care if it's their last penny in your pockets, but they must build an ultra-modern state-of-the-art hospital in their country, because they say their government keeps failing them over and over again, and Kenyans cannot fail Kenyans. So Kenyans will stand for Kenyans, with Kenyans, by Kenyans. Everything, they are out for themselves. If the government can't help them, they will help themselves.
Ukiangalia story fiti unaona there are a lot of things ziko na uncertainties. Demonstration ya Gen Z tuge in the whole world, Chris, yajirie Kenya, as per se to we can say that confidently. And after that nituonete a demonstration nyingi muno cia Gen Z. So you cannot write off the fact that thibitarĩ ĩno nĩ gwakwo na hena maũndũ maingĩ megwĩkwo nĩ Gen Z marĩa thirikari ĩkũigua ĩgĩconoka, especially ndona nginya hau nĩ twathaka review ya mũndũ ũtarĩ Kenya akĩarĩrĩria ũhoro ũyũ, and you can see the impact that this story has. It's going to build up to something very big. Kuona ati riu andu nio mari nona uria riu gukoragwo harambe gugakota cukuru ya community ya shule ina fundiwa na like they don't want to be involved in any way na thirikari. And you know it might get to a point haria riu thirikari riu ndiri na wira tondu riu a Kenya ni moete riu wira ucio makerutira, because we cannot live in the same situation forever and ever, amen, na not oshage bia to we keep ourselves in a better situation, you get. And giroro horo ni rona we really have a lot of waiting to do in order to see what is going to happen in most of these stories, and especially the Gen Z. Gen Z right now are the like shocker, like the people who are shocking everyone right now. And personally, I'm just waiting to see what is going to happen. And as you're talking about that story, no ya Gen Z wajirie ni undu wa mucangore wa Kaluma Boy. And you know on a story no ya Kaluma Boy ni tumite andu magaikara and you sit down and wonder, wait a minute, is this the TikTok that we used to wake up in the morning na tunaona watu wakidance tu, kwa hivyo tunaona ma dance styles nini ma dance challenge, you get, it has turned out to be something very big. Na after hedeo ya Kaluma Boy nituonete hena Thanksgiving Korea JCM ira tugika show Chris nitorarireirie horo wa uria Bishop Ben knows what to do, how to do it and when to do it. Na horo ucio ni ukanjaga andu aingi muno, because right now all the attention on Sunday it will be at JCM church. And if you thought this is just a joke, JCM ni kwambikitwo nginya hema kouja na ne ukorwo nginya na screen. I was picturing this ta hindi ria kwari na consecration ya Bazu akiamurwo gutuika bishop. Muthenya ucio hena andu mathekagirira no nie ndakinyire ku thaa 9 cia utuku, and I really wanted nie agikorwo he mundu nyenda muno guthoma rada ciake mani na guthoma uria eka maundu make, yani Bishop Ben. And so I was there very early in the morning etha nyone manze ugu reka ri, are people appreciating, like are people like really into it? Na I can tell you that people are really into it. Na ugu drona agika tha ici ni ta uria kwari hindi ya consecration, and this is going to be massive, Chris. This is going to be massive. Na Bazu ameweza kubond na Gen Z in a very great way. Not so many months ago hindi ya kwari na demonstrations, netonire Bazu niwe wahotire ku thika Boniface Mwangi, na macio mari mathiko mamwe very controversial. Na akiarĩrĩria ũhoro ũcio afterwards augire ati erire nginya borithi wacheni nita handle story yote. So that guy has the wisdom of doing like everything, like omothe ni ahorirwo thimu ni Baby Top kuria Kameme, na this is what he said about that event.
Aterere my bishop.
That you are bishop where?
Mwathani Ngai arogocwo.
Bwana Yesu atukuzwe.
Atukuzwe kila wakati.
Amen.
Tumukumia Yesu Kristo.
Tumukumia hedi ciothe no neno wake ugiuka na nyina. Kumi bagze. Uhera bishop bini. Aterere muthikabu. Ngai waku niwe turenda tondu riu Gen Z maramba hema atiru ona turarigwo kana tumomore kana riu tugeka atia wibangite atia riu tondu tutingwenda uthiru na otamirenio riu sadiri.
Yes,
ciana ciothe cia bururi uyu kuma Isiolo guthie nginya Garbatura.
Yes,
kuma Garbatura guthie nginya mwanya wa Ruo. Ciothe iroka guthoma waithe wao kuria witagwo JCM.
Bishop wa watu wote,
askofu wa kila mtu.
Oh yes,
kanisa la watu wote.
Hivyo.
Injili bila hukumu.
10 bila break.
Rĩu ithuĩ tũtikoragwo na icio.
Oh, sorry, isi to ni. Oh, kumi mbwekse.
Ithuĩ nĩ mpaka kifo. Ithuĩ tũrĩa kwamũrwo.
Kabisa.
Rĩu ithuĩ nĩ twĩharĩirie wega.
Yes.
Na ndũkĩona inyuĩ mũtikĩrĩ kũraihu na mĩaka ĩyo ya andũ acio.
Ithuĩ tũtirĩ kũraihu mũno twĩ milenio.
Ndũĩ ena Gen Z hau nĩ njũĩ nĩyo ĩna thimũ rĩu ĩgwĩtwo Stacy.
Gen Z haha.
Na tondũ na niĩ ngĩikĩtie Gen Z rĩ.
No amenya nayo comba yendaga tũcaũ.
Ndũkĩũĩ rĩu mbũri ngũrũ ndĩkĩũmagia ini.
Ũkanjĩria comba wendaga tũcaũ.
Toguo. Itonga itiendaga mĩnoga. Nĩkĩo wonaga tene nginya itonga ciaheagwo mũratina na rũhĩa rwa thenge. No ngĩataga themba. Cianeagwo na rwa mbogo irĩo-inĩ cinũke.
Na ikua mahĩndĩ.
Ĩno na ithũke ini cieherere andũ. Rĩu mũthenya wa Sunday nĩ mũthenya mũnene.
Yes.
Na tũgakenera Ngai nĩ gũtũhe favor.
Amen.
Tondũ mũthoni ciana icio citũ mĩeri ĩrarĩ ho.
Yes.
Harĩa hothe ciana ciri itirathiaga gwĩka wega.
Irathiaga gũcina.
Irathiaga gũcina na gũthũkia maũndũ.
Nĩguo.
No rĩu kuona ciana citũ atĩ nĩ imenyete the sobriety of a generation is found in God.
Yes.
Rĩu ciana citũ gũikara thĩ ikona na kũrĩ Ngai nĩkuo kwega.
Nĩguo.
Na ithuothe nginya aciari othe gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩthũra mwana wake ũrĩre harĩ Ngai.
Yes.
Ũguo mũthenya wa Sunday nĩ tũgakorwo tũkĩhe ciana icio mweke. Wa gũthathaiya Ngai.
Yes.
Wa kũmwenda. Wa kũrekanĩra nĩgetha onacio ihingũkĩrwo nĩ mĩeke tondũ mĩeke ĩhingũkaga nĩ andũ kũrekanĩra.
Breakthrough.
Na ruo rũrĩa rwĩ ngoro-inĩ yao cirekererie.
Yes.
Nĩ tũkamahe mweke maigua nĩ kũrĩra maigua nĩ gũturia maru maigua nĩ kwĩgaragaria. Macoke mahoere bũrũri wao.
Amen.
Nĩgetha ciana ici citũ rĩu cigĩe direction. Na direction nĩyo moete is a very good direction kuona atĩ nĩ monete harĩ Ngai noho hega.
Amen.
Na koguo ithuĩ ta kanitha nĩ twĩharĩirie nĩ tũkamamũkĩra.
Yes.
Na wega nĩ atĩ ciana ici itirenda siasa. Na itirenda maũndũ ona wana siasa tiagirie gũka. No magathomera gwa Sunday school. Nĩ tũkamekĩrĩra screen.
Aheshimiwa.
Aheshimiwa magaikara kũu. Ciana ciambe igirĩke. Magaikara gwa tondũ tũtirenda Sunday school moke na nĩ tũraciaria JCM. Sunday school matikamena gũka. Nĩ tondũ ũrĩa gwakorwo kũhana tondũ ta rĩu thaa ici tũraria nawe nĩ kũrĩ andũ rũcinĩ nĩ kũrĩ andũ makorwo mambĩtie gũkinya.
Yes.
Makarara kanitha-inĩ.
Nĩguo.
Ũguo nawe okorwo nĩ ũramenya nĩ ũroka no ũkire ũrare gwakwa.
Nĩngũka bedroom ĩrĩa ya kĩanda ĩrĩa twakoma na opa.
Harĩa kĩanda.
Yes.
Nĩgetha ũke no gathemba no arare gwaku bai.
Gathemba no arare gwaku bai. Kana kwa mofa mkũrĩa kwa makorobia.
Rĩu tondũ ciana igoka tene.
Yes.
Na nĩ twĩharĩirie nĩ twambĩte hema. Nĩ tũrĩ na screens cia nja ona kwagĩa na overflow. But we are ready to host our children because they have taken the true direction.
God is so faithful na tondu nĩ njũĩ nĩ tũgũthoma mohoro tũrenda gũkũicĩra all the best.
Na ndakena mũno na kũhũrĩra na kũnginyĩra.
Ũngĩgabatara mĩtambo itũ nginya ya online no ĩre mũndũ waku gwĩtwo Hiram tũmũnengere logins.
Of course no nginya.
Nengera ndeto ĩyo tũkona ithuothe arĩa matakahota gwĩkinya nginya ciere itũ tũkorwo tũkĩhoera ciana icio tondũ nĩ citũ.
Bũrũri wothe wakorwo kirĩte ki.
Yes.
Ciana ici igĩcokia rũĩ mũkaro.
Ngai akũrathime mũno na ngũgwĩta ithe wa Asen tondũ wĩ mũciari.
Nĩguo wa Njoroge.
Na ciana icio ciĩ moko-inĩ mega baba witũ.
Nĩguo nyina Njoroge.
We love you.
Thank you so much, Mungu awabariki.
Geithia kamiji kau gaitũ.
Nitamsalimu.
God bless you baba.
God bless you.
Bless you.
Niĩ ndiũĩ tumerudi kwako tena. Niĩ ndiũĩ Bishop Ben na wanasiasa mahĩtanĩirie kũ. Eko. Niĩ ndiũĩ mniambie nitupe hii mic bana nifanyange show hivyo jo. Ndio Bishop Ben na wanasiasa mahitanirie ku kwa sababu imekuwa it's not the first time turaigwa Bishop Ben akivurugana na wanasiasa. Tatheici nijui kwina attention yothe kanitha wa JCM Sunday na nijui every politician will want to be there. O mwanasiasa no nginya ni akenda gukorwo hau nigetha akorwo akiariria Gen Z kivyake manze pia ya feel thaici o mwanasiasa angeigua ni araiguo ni Gen Z. Hiyo ndio furaha yake. Na riu Bazu augate matikanitio guka no magaikara kuu gakanitha ga Sunday school nikuo nikuo magekirwo screen. And you know Bazu keeps amazing and surprising everybody each and every time tondu akoragwo fearless. Ti andu aria ungiuga ati I was about to mention a name but reke ndige ti ati ni andu aria ungiuga ati ni bishop or church flani, he has an impact somewhere, he has influence. No, like hawezi jibizana na hao watu wengine. Bazu ni ego goikia kiugo na Ngai atigo ario Ngai because that is one of the characters iria nyendete cia Bazu. And let's wait and see how it's going to be on that day. Marauga mapema ndio best, itakuwa mapema pale hivyo. Onaniga kinyako tene agikorwo hindi ya consecration idare hau thaa kenda. Video ziko kwa YouTube yangu, aria me YouTube no muthia umo search hindi ya consecration. Ndare ku thaa kenda na nginya gate ni yahingitwo ni uri andu maihurite. Thaa kenda cio tuko nicio turaririria. Ti cia muthenya. So I'm imagining how it is going to be on Sunday. Naona bisheo ndiroka muto-ini wakwa. Todo it is going to be something big. But anyway, on to the next story. Ni ati wiki ino nigukoretwo na uhoro ukoretwo ugitrend muno. And this story is so personal with me pia. No nyende tukorwo tukimiaririria. Na ni story ya mtoto wa Diana. First of all, let's have a look at this, I think 30 seconds video.
Shata la mazika yande. Kitu mimi naweza promise. Ana promise mbele ya world. God stai kuacha.
So guys, where did the rain start hitting Bahati? Bethe adoria matoi, if the first person to ever believe in me, Nairobi no. Like modo wa bere kujira ruwe, no wikarage haha, ukaruta wira uyu, mwisho wa mweri ngakujenga kira ndira kujenga. It was EMB Records and that was Bahati. Hindere ya EMB ya jagia. So geheana story ya Bahati drama heana ata very personal manze. Personal area draigwa mani man. And you know niye gemenya Bahati Dare High School na hede yo niguo kwari bar area ya team ya Bahati, team ya Willy Paul, you know, na nereo hede Groove Awards yashikite. And that specific video ya dakoro githaka muthenya wa muthe, it was played in the middle of prime time news live. Awadio ya heanirwo them na ndagika fulani hau mathaa ma news, and they had to stop the news to show that ndenda ukonia how Groove Awards yari ilikuwa imeka wasanii at a certain level. And you know at that time onogirora Bahati bishaine yo alikuwa na kachichi man ule PA wake unamjua. Thaishi ne modo you get, I know you guys get what I mean. And inaona ni progress, how money changes people, how fame changes people. Tado agekoro Bahati, Bahati to anakorwo nake kuria katolo ni kuria. I don't know his spiritual life right now. Tiwe gako judge modo na spiritual life yake todo. You never know what that guy is doing behind the curtains, and you never know kana hatred yo enayo thaishi na ihoya ria kirira ashokio. Maybe ya naomba God for that interaction ya watu hate on him right now. And so Dreda kuonania how the industry changes and how manze just let people be, man. Just let people be. Goreto gionado makiugate, Bahati is taking the wrong direction, Bahati is doing this, Bahati is doing this. There is a point in that. Todo hedeo tuwekaga comparison ya Bahati na Willy Paul. Manze ilikuwa so personal na gospel music. Ilikuwa so personal na gospel to a point that manze ni ginya dakire dancer wa gospel. That your demo ini bado, you know, and all these things zilikuwa manze zinachochewa manze na kuona uria Bahati vile Bahati anajibeba pale hivyo kama msanii. You get. Now story no ya Bahati. I think we should just let Bahati be. I think nesha mete stages show the she industry no iria agienda not oria atogiuga ona turudi kwa previous story ya Bazu ajirie comedian wa kwihakania mashoka agithia agituika radio presenter agithia agituika reu stand up comedian agithia agituika reu mutungatiri agithia thaici reu niwe mwene kioneki kiu kigima kia JCM agituika mutungatiri wa kanitha ingi and right now ni mutungatiri wa kanitha yake. So hiyo inaonyesha manze industry no nere stages uria mundu ajirie tigwa karikia na hiyo ni koragwo kindu kimwe thina muno na andu wa content because you know content titaduka ati ni ndagera duka yaku umuthi ndahota kugera duka yo next year online. Duka ya online ni duka o mundu agiukira rucine ni araingira kuona hey uyo ameka nini leo, uyo anafanya nini. So everyone, each and every of your fan, each and every of your supporters is your critic in one way or the other. And so niwe koraga rimwe kwina rules iria mundu akoragwo agikiriro ati Bahati alianza akiwa gospel artist, lazima hadi sasa akwa kiimba gospel artist, gospel music, you know, na maybe modo hiyo ilikuwa starting point to maybe take someone to the next level or you never know. And so I feel pressure ekorago online yate uyu alianza akiwa dancer awezi imba ati uyu alianza akiwa radio presenter awezi chekesha watu. You get. I think ati uyu alianza sijui akiwa nini saizi yezi imba secular, hawezi kuwa mwanasiasa. You get. Hawezi kuwa mwana biashara, hawezi acha content. Mtasema modo agetiga content, tare modo agekoroe consistent na content. Otige content kama venye presenter ali alifanya before adoni maradi demand explanation na before uketa kuji explain adoni marutete version nyingi muno ciaku. Huyo alishindwa consistency ilimlemea, content sijui ilimfanyia nini, sijui ati agani muguta, ati agani atigirwo, ati aga sijui ati ni depression akonayo, sijui ati aga alifanyana nini, sijui na huyo ndio maana wakakosana, sijui like people are policing content creators to a point that manze. And you know the good thing is that there is interaction neo besha. So anyway, Bahati is earning na neramenya showbiz na ni amastete the art of showbiz and the art of manze ku irritate watu ndio waongee online. Ndio ni the video yake ina dislikes nyingi gukira likes, views shikire igoro. And so tutasemaje ila kusema manze Bahati is sane. He's not insane. Of course, negoto mwariririe. Bahati and Diana, ni moi, they are not the best musicians in Kenya. Ona ni moi, tio mena thauti iria njega Kenya, cia kuina. Ona ni moi, tio magiandika nyimbo iria cingikorwo na message iria njega. And because they know that, they cannot use that to get attention. Todo matigiruta rwimbo rwega rwa secular. So hawezi sema ati manze mimi nimekwamilia manze ngoma yangu nimeiaminia. You get. Kogo no ginya methe ndugi uria ugutuma nyimbo icio like mimi nitakuja nikwambia hey Chris Bahati ametoa ngoma nyingine ufala. Curiosity yako itafanya haitakuruhusu ulale kama hujaisikia. Exactly. And that becomes a win for Bahati and the Bahatis. So provided parking ya Bahati nene negukira yaku manze. Don't talk about Bahati dramas. But anyway, with all due respect manze, Bahati niwe watu mire manze nianze kupenya kwa hii industry. Goro yako ni igua wega muno because of that. I just had to say that. But anyway, on to the next story. Ni ati Morara Kebaso hehede augete nirenda gutuika president na ikakuwa manze a very big win for the Gen Z tondu yari hede ria kwari Gen Z leaderless maundu macio mothe less na gukiimiria Murara na bado hindi yo noguo anaitwa aje Casmuel aingirite ODM koguo the best choice ya Gen Z yari Murara Kibaso, and Murara Kibaso hit the ground with massive Vampire Diaries exposes na andu magikena muno. Of course gutire mundu ungiigua uru akiona thirikari ya Kasongo ikianikwo, but along the way ni kweyumiririe scandal nyingi muno. Pesa inachangwa anakura, sijui nini ako kwa serikali, ni project na maundu macio mothe magituma Murara Kibaso agiquit Azimio yo yake indefinitely, and now the guy has come out to explain why he did that and how that affected him. Katurore video no hanini nigetha tumenye what really happened at that time.
You know, many times men, we pretend to be okay even when we are not okay, but me, I'll say the truth. One of the most painful things that happened to me this year and last year was the social media bullying and insults. Okay, for a while I was able to assume it and focus on my goals, but it got to a point where it became too much. It got to a point where it was even being spoken in my family WhatsApp groups, and I felt betrayed by the people I was trying to fight for. I was trolled, I was insulted, I was called a conman, a beggar, and it's okay for a leader to be called names, it happens. But you dragged me down, you deflated my energy, you crippled my wheels. I started feeling like if the same people I'm fighting for are not supportive of what I'm fighting for, then afadhali hata niwachane nao nirudi kwa biashara yangu nifanye vitu zangu. Now, well, I managed to leave that politics for a while. I don't know whether I've left it forever or whether I'll do it someday in the future. But nowadays, I just do my personal business, make my own money, I'm peaceful, eat my food, live pole too, and spend time with my friends and my family. But you cost me immeasurable amount of pain. Hiyo staki kudanganya, and I don't want to pretend that I was okay or that I'm okay with it. I've never healed from that thing. It was so painful because I'm somebody who lived my life for over 20 years being a person of integrity, a person of reputation. Sijai chukua kitu ya mtu, sijai hata nikikosea mtu I'm sorry. I always made sure that I live with values. Lakini nyinyi mkakuja mkanichafua, mkanipaka matope, mkaniita conman, beggar, haja yangu ni pesa ya Wakenya. When in actual sense, the money that was contributed to me versus what I spent was so little. Yenye nilikontributiwa kwangu versus yenye nilitumia ni mingi. I even spent my own savings, trying to move around the country. Nobody even appreciates that I went 29,000 kilometers, 34 counties, which is something that nobody else has done, You were trolling and pulling me down as if you can do what I was doing. Now I left it, now you've not done it. Hakuna mtu ameifanya. Because you've come to realize that it was not easy. It came with a lot of risk, a lot of dangers, because hawa watu unakosea, these contracts that you are exposing are people who've made millions and billions. People with capability and with power. But anyway, mulini troll, mukasema nini, squeeze mimi, I don't take anybody's money. Nobody has contributed anything to me. I am just making my own money, my own personal business, and I pray to God to help me succeed.
Politics is hard. Na siasa ni undu umwe utendaga feelings. Agikoro nduri wona MCA MCA ahoete ithuĩ tũrĩ na MCA wetagwo, in fact aliingia one time, ahoya kura nginya na Muithikiri, athia nginya agaturĩria atumia maru makurubu-inĩ na ndathurirwo tamu ĩyo ĩngĩ nĩguo athurirwo. So ndĩrageria kuonania ũrĩa politics is hard, man. You can simp to your lowest and still receive zero appreciation. Na nikio wonaga, I think culture yo neo buildete up to uria tuonaga wana siasa wona simp sana time ya campaign. Now arikia kuiga bible thi eguthethera mbia cia thirikari na inyuĩ nĩ mũgwĩtĩkia nigetha ereherie hau mwamuku wa wana. And I feel Murara Kibaso really had good intentions. The fact that niathiana expose icio akarekereria and they were accurate. Mũndũ ũcio onako ni project ile si amefanya kazi nyasi tulikuwa nataka kuona manze, because at the end of the day thio turenda kuona haya hena project ino yahetwo mbia ici na yahetwo mwaka ũyũ na ũyũ how ground ni aronania uria kuhana, ndirona uria ona ĩngĩkorwo project. Niĩ ndirenda gutetera ati no akorwo project, because in politics dogemenya you can't defend anyone, you can't be sure of anything. But niä ndonaga the fact that nä athiaga tuge ta Kitui County akonania hena airstrip ino kana hena project ino yanjirie 2017 ikikirirwo mbia ici ikiho ira ria rutitwo ni uyu imebaki na pesa enye ilitumika ni you get already we have all the information that we really needed. Na niä ndonaga tungiacha Morara manzi endele kutupatia hizo vitu tondu koroni yathire na mbere thaici Gen Z wangekuwa wamekuwa charged up, kungekuwa something else saizi inaendelea. But the fact that we pulled him down na ye akakubali manze kupulika down tondu gutire mundu utarumagwo online, gutire mundu utarumagwo ona bahati thaici ararira kurumwo kou. You know, sometimes you have to take the lemons however bitter they are, make lemonade out of them, and after that makoro macio umathondeke tumahua twega, you know, just make good use of everything at your disposal. Na the fact that hede ado ni merutire ginya athiana msafara ta opposition leader, you get nieta makanie igikoro hata hau niona digethikiriria ando. But pia there's something iyo tokoro touga thaici, the fact that men kwasiumagwo ati a man cannot have mental health issues. Na gotiri odo oge, nothing can bring a man down, especially stories amanze kupasho and all those things. Bado I feel that we were so unfair to Morara, considering the fact that totiamenyaga inamu affect in what way. But anyway, niya yumiri na akorwo akiaririria horo ucio. We hope that maybe one day tugikuhiriria 2027 niya goka atwire uria arenda, maybe atakasi preso, maybe senator, governor, MP or something. Kama bado niye kuona bado ni aratosha preso, okay atwire nasa tuambia kiona pure intentions bana, nigetha tumenye uria gukorwo, you know, you never know in politics. Atomboya mari miake ona mati they didn't tigani uria moragirwo. I'm sure ona Raila akianjia ari kijana isipokuwa ni vile alikuwa na backing ya babake. So I mean, just be there and you never know. Last story of the day ni ati umuthi kuria Kakamega hena senator omwe witagwo bullfighter Boni Halwale. Boni Halwale akoragwo na ciana nyingi na gukira timu ya mubira, na ni one of those senators kana one of those legislators aria huwezi elewa kaatani, like the lifestyle that he lives, man, ajajiweka ndehekirite ta lavish lifestyle. Nyo kuona ginya bisha ciana ciake cigiciarwo public hospitals, tondu ni nyingi na wajuku na andu acio othe ni ari family nene. Unaona ngadi watoto wake wengine wako public schools, and no, he was amekuwa senator. And you know, bullfighter agerire maundu maingi muno in the industry of politics. Tunaona ginya agikirio tear gas, tunaona maundu maingi makihappen. And now muthenya wa muthi ni mathire kuria Kakamega ko inspect county projects muno thibitari mama na other senators. And you know, Boni Halwale is a no nonsense guy. Na ria korire ko there is something fishy, kulikuwa vurugu pale hivyo. Proudly sponsored by Boni Halwale. Have a look at this, guys.
Paranya. I'm telling you, in my lifetime, and get this straight, when I become governor of Kakamega, we will get you people arrested so that you pay for the lives of the people who have died since this hospital collapsed. I am very serious, Andaman. I am very serious, by the way.
We are here for a very objective way.
And I'm very objective.
We are really getting out of order.
Listen. I'm very serious. These are the fellows who are eating the money.
I think we are really for a very objective way of handling this. We are not really on this one.
Don't answer, it's okay. You eat money. Listen, Chairman.
I will not allow that.
Chairman, in the financial year 24-25, this will not feed a single contractor.
We are really getting out of order. Senator, this is not right for us here.
How can such a fool address me? And this young man from Butere arrogantly talks to me like this. No. You don't know how much we have fought in the Luo community to bring us where we are, young man. You have no idea what Shikuku did for the Luo community to reach where it is.
So Bonnie Halole is very determined to have the Luyas united. Na thaa ici kindu kiria kingituma every community ekorwo ina say in 2027 elections and unity ya every community. Na Bonnie Halole akoretwo aking'ang'ana, not the first time, not the second time. We don't know his intentions right now, but the fact that tuona aking'ang'ana uguo na aking'ang'anira projects cia Kakamega, then we know that nĩarenda gũtuĩka governor. And let's just watch this space and see how it's going to be. You know, a place like Kakamega is very controversial. Ko Western gukoragwo kwi very controversial for one reason. Ni ngumu sana uone nona toria rĩu thaa ici Mount Kenya kwĩna nginya Gen Z aya maranyitwo nĩ ũndũ nĩ maingĩrire DCP kuratuĩka nĩ metagwo atia. You know, before wone a youth ko Western no garu malala in politics, very few of them, and that leaves the ground with only those old people. Politics ya Kenya ikoragwo regional. Na ikoragwo every region mung'ang'ane na ku bring up politicians wenyu. Mung'ang'ane kivyanyu tondu yakinya haria kila mundu niendaga you know, leadership kana in politics positions are not given, they are taken. You take it. Koguo where you are power hungry already, where wita mundu ina miaka 60 tugere uta Gachagua, the likes of those people ona me power hungry. Na rĩu nĩwamwĩra ati anza kunacha mtu mwingine mwenye ako 30 years ati ndio amwachie kiti yenye yeye angechukua. You know, not in Kenya man, labda Uganda. Governor Sang, yeah, the youngest governor. Ona tuna Kirinyaga ona nĩ wathiĩ kũraihu. Governor anaitwa aje Anne Waiguru akoretwo governor 10 years na thaa ici araugire nikikuja kwenyu kuambia vile nataka mtanisikiza. She definitely wants to be the senator of Kirinyaga. Na ino ni trend by the tufati kumereria one of these fine days, but nĩngwethana na gũkũ nĩ gwa Kikuyu podcast ajire uria siasa cikoretwo cigĩthiĩ na mbere that one week ĩrĩa ndĩrarĩ vacation kũrĩa rĩrĩa ndĩrarĩ siasa kũrĩa Uganda nĩgetha tũcokie Museveni. Tukĩrĩkia show ya ũmũthĩ nĩ atĩ ira tũrarĩrĩria siasa cia Baringo. Nĩndĩrenda mũno kwaria na youth leader ũmwe wa kĩama gĩa KANU. Ajire what led to Moi being selected to vie for senator seat of Baringo. That is a very small seat for him, so the aim is not that anataka kuwa senator. Kuna kitu fiche pale hivyo. Na tondu nijue tena murata ũmwe witũ tukumwetha atuhe ũhoro ũcio na nigetha tukue na clarity hiyo mambo, or else we wait and see, because 2027 is not that far. Anyway guys, tutinarekia horo boyfriends day ri riu ri hena tofauti ya do boyfriends day do riu hena mundu ngimwira ati leo ni boyfriends day na yeye sio boyfriend, yeye ni husband. But of course there's a difference between a boyfriend, a fiancé and a husband. Boyfriend ni mundu murajania, ni ule kwa dem, ni ule kama girlfriend ni dem mwenye mnaanzana hivyo bado yuko sure, you get, yuko sure kama you're still trying to get along. Ni hari riu wendo shashaire riu hari riu nginya mugathondekerwo muthenya kafogo takoragwo na maiki hau riu tondu Rĩu fiancé rĩ nĩ rĩrĩa rĩu muona rĩu ithuĩ no tuikaranie rĩu nĩ mwanjia kwĩra andũ rĩu ũyũ nĩwe ngahikia rĩu. But sasa husband ni waku. So no boyfriend andũ nĩ mara confuse mũno ũhoro ũcio. Rĩu endio wĩha. Anyway guys, niĩ njĩtaga Holy J kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Neno nĩ show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club. Guys, niĩ ngoragwo ndĩmwendete ta bomb. It is because of you guys that nyuma kũrĩa ndauma ngoka tũgeka show ĩno, and I really appreciate each and every one of you that comes to share my thoughts with you. Anyone who comes just to watch me, just to mũndũ wothe ũkaga haha. I do this because of you. If there is anything ũngĩigua mani tũrabatara tũcenjie, kindly tell us. If there is anything you can help us with, kindly help us. By the way, namba yetu ĩkoragwo ĩ haha. You can support this show. Umeona leo tumekuwa na shida ya sound. If ungehutio ni Jehova, ihutia ria magegania, you know what to do. Na show ino ndimie ka day ka tukoragwo na Chris ndendaga kuonekana, no muthenya wa kinya ni akonekana. Arauga when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. It's a good Friday, and until next time, niĩ njĩtagwo Holy J, tucemanie Monday, same time, same place, different discussions.